Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while and thank you so much for sticking around. So I hope all the videos that I uploaded at the end of last year really helped you get off to a good start for the brand new year. And now that Q1 is almost done, I'm sure you have all picked out your planners and decided what to do for the new year, how you have to, lay out all of your plans for the upcoming year. And in case there are a select few who still have not decided on a planner or were trying out multiple different kinds of planners, then I have one or two more options to help you out. So this is an undated planner that I got for myself for this year, and it's been a little crazy for me personally for quarter 1. So I haven't really been able to get into this planner, but this is something that I really plan on using for work and personal life and everything in between. This was a gift and I don't know if this is available in India. I'm sure you can get it from their official website. So this is a Moleskine planner and this is an undated Moleskine planner in the shade Cherry. I will put the link in the description for you all so you can check it out if you want to. And I will take you through a detailed tour of what this planner has to offer. So without further ado, let's get into it. This is quite a sturdy cover, so I like how that feels. Let me do that one more time. It's pretty good. This says, welcome to your year. It's a nice little bookmark. And again, it's one of those bookmarks where you can, take it off and place it, pop it back in at any point without having to worry about the ripping up these like holes or whatever. So it's pretty neat. Then they also have a little ruler over here and it's about like 5 centimeters. So I mean, it's pretty good enough for this size of the planner, so you can use it for whatever purpose. You have a basic information page, and it took so much self-control to not fill this in before I showed it to you guys, so please appreciate. Then this is just a regular blank page. Moleskine always keeps the designs really minimal and neat, and I love that. More personal data page. This was really interesting. So this is join the dots, color and use stickers to create a map of your unique mind. So you can, this is a world map, but you can basically join the dots and create any kind of map. So this would be a place for me to get super creative. I would use all sorts of colors here. This is the travel planner where you have your destination, date and your notes, and this is just a simple dot grid page over here which says my extraordinary moments. What I really like about it is that it's spiral, so it can lay flat on either side, and that will be super convenient to write on either side of the page. Even for like thicker planners which don't lay flat, that is a big problem, but this one you won't have to face that issue, so that's very nice. Then you have these my priorities page. So there are life areas and there are 8 boxes on this page and here, and it says what I would like to achieve. So you basically have the area of your life and all the goals for that particular area. Again, really nice way to lay out how to plan your entire year. Here you have your yearly calendar, so the previous year, the current year, and 2 years after that. So that's pretty comprehensive. Then you have something like a timetable. So here you could ideally, design what you want your week to look like. Or if you are using this as a student, then maybe your college or university or school schedule can go in here. So that would be pretty nice. Like, that's a pretty handy way to have this, and you can have like a sticker or a bookmark over here, so you can reference this page whenever you need to. So these are the monthly dividers. So it says which month, add sticker here. And speaking of stickers, we have plenty. So you get all the, and I think you can pick your color scheme here because this is only a 12-month planner, but you have like a red and this pinkish color, so that's pretty cool. And if I turn this, you'll be able to see that here I have like meetings and exams, day off, deadline, etc. Then I also have some mood stickers, so that's pretty neat. I like that idea. Let's go back to the monthly page. As you open up the monthly page, you have this grid where you can fill in all the days of the month, and you can add month, year, etc., which is what I love about undated planners, that you can start at any point. Normally, I'm not the kind of girl who, likes filling out, but like I said, this has been a crazy year so far, so I appreciate the flexibility that this planner brings with it. Then you have this page which has your habit tracker, and I love this kind of habit tracker. I tried to make these in my bullet journal, but it never turned out super pretty. So I like you can write down all the habits here, and then you have 1 to 31 for all the days of the month, and you just go on coloring as you complete the habit, so that gives you a really pretty visual at the end of the month also. Then you have the classic 2-page spread of the week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Saturday, Sunday is kind of grouped together over here in the single row, which is fine. I mean, I don't think you'll have a lot to write on Saturday, Sunday, but in case you are the kind of person whose weekends are more packed than weekdays, then maybe you can figure out how to reshuffle these. Then you have this little part in the bottom which says creative focus and mood tracker, and also color code for each of them. So I think the mood tracker, you would have color codes for the different moods, like what you want to signify each color as, and the creative focus is probably the days where you were able to focus on any creative pursuit. For example, if I'm shooting YouTube videos, then I would make that the day of creative focus. So that's a pretty nice little tracker. Then you have same for all of the weeks, and that's it. That's how your months end. So this continues on. You have all your 12 months, and at the end of the 12 months you have a lot of notes pages. So about like 10 ruled notes pages. One of these is blank, and then you have these pages which are kind of terrible. So these can be shopping lists, I believe. That is also pretty neat and very useful. And that's how the planner ends. This, I already showed you the sticker sheet, and they have a really nice pocket at the end, so it's quite spacious, and it's the entire size, you know, of the planner. It's sometimes the pockets are really not covering the entire area of the planner, but this one is, so you can keep a lot of stuff here. So they came with these kind of sticker sheets which have all of your months, and they can be used as tabs, so you can just put them at the beginning of the month that you are starting off from, and it can be valid for literally any year, or you can even use it in a different planner if you so wish. So these are also pretty cool. I like the fact that this has a nice big pocket, so I can keep things in it, and especially because I'm planning to use this for like work and personal things. Maybe I can keep some bills and receipts, etc. also inside it. I love the fact that this is undated, and I also really appreciate the bookmarks which I have here, bookmarks and the rulers. So because there's a lot of blank space here to just customize it as you want. And you guys know me, if you have seen any of my previous videos, I have a ton of stickers, I have a lot of sketch pens, brush pens, etc. So I would love to just go ham on this planner, but I was almost forgot, there is also a nice little elastic closure here to keep all your stuff inside. I am very, very excited to get started in this planner, but I didn't want to start without showing you guys what it looks like blank. So yeah, I love how it's laid out. I like the flexibility of it. I like the simplicity of it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.